Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm back, baby. Let's see. I need to update the. I need to grab the updated thing from my other thing. One moment. Where is my. Okay. See. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Rig. Am I not live on Rig? The hell? Oh wait. No, I'm connected to the. Connected to the right network. Connect. God damn it. Yeah. The hell? Am I not sharing my network? God damn it. No, you're live. Oh, why are you like this? Oh wait, hold on. Is this causing a problem? Why are you like this? Oh yep, I'm connected to the right network. Why are you like this? Okay, can I fix it? Did I reintegrate? I reintegrated the money stuff. So okay. Let me see if I can manually transfer over the details. Upstate, here we go. I mean, it's going to, the courtesy free stuff isn't going to be need to change anyways. I should be able to just change that to 46 and that to 8. Huh? Hold on. Hey Zed, how you doing? Yes, we are back. Yes. Save on here. And let's get the update in. It's only going to be a short stream for today because I need to deal with some business after the stream. But I figured that short stream was better than no stream. That's what we've got today. Though, I might need to reconfigure some stuff later. Let's see. I need to clean up my space because of this whole mess with rebuilding. There we go. Yeah. technically, I wasn't the one who solved this. I found this. So I had this um, this guy that I met up with who was who was able to help me out with some stuff. And Mana is magic hands. I seriously don't know how he was able to do what he can do, but has uh, primary layout. Uh, ah, there we go. Yeah, he's a damn wizard. He's got that computer mana. And I'll tell you what. So this is the weird part, right? Um, this guy, he was traveling over the weekend, and he what do you call it? He recommended me to another group. That other group also had problems. It's him. He's a damn wizard, I tell you. Man didn't even take payment either. Friggin', I need to figure out how to like. I need to figure out how to get this guy to accept payment, because he is freaking wizard is what he is. God, I'm not. I've been on my laptop for so long that now my keyboard feels weird. Man didn't fix in a day. He put the computer back to like I transported the computer with the GPU separate so that it wouldn't damage the connection. Man just put it back together and it worked. He didn't even have to fix anything. It just refused to be broken in his presence. Like seriously, I don't know what he did, but he's like freaking magic is what he is. Uh, I'm not sure if he said anything. According to him, he just he literally just put the thing together and it was perfect. So yeah, he's friggin' magic. The Nerb. Uh, I need to friggin' log into Sky. 1 second. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to do that. Ooh, nice. How's it going? Hmm. Yeah. Murphy, fuck yeah. Uh, Yada yada. Okay, hold on. I'm. Hold on. My hello, Fall. How you doing? I am somehow back from nearly catastrophic GPU failure. Ooh, congrats. So, yeah, my GPU just stopped working. Um, I wasn't able to fix it. I rebuilt my computer. I replaced the motherboard. I thought I was going to have to drop like $1,000 on a new GPU, and then I take it to this one guy. There's this local shop. Man is like surrounded by computer parts. He's just there quietly working. I bring it to him. He takes a look. GPU works first time, and I'm like, okay, that sounds good. I bring it back. I set it up. Doesn't work. He I no, I go to bring it back to him, but he's not there. He recommends this other repair shop. This other repair shop puts it together. It works at first, but then when we check it before I take it back, it isn't working. That repair shop tried to scam me, but that's not a big deal. And then now I come back and he's back from traveling. I bring the whole computer to him. According to him, he did nothing except put the GPU back in the socket, and it worked perfectly. So, yeah, computer mana is real. The guy's a wizard, and you know what the most incredible part about it is? The guy refused to take payment. I was like, hey, I'll pay you like, I'll pay you to just like do some cable management in the back, whatever. He's like, no, it's fine. Just take it home, see if it works. Freaking magic. Like, I cannot be. Yeah, I'm fairly sure he owns the place that he runs too. He's like the leader of the. He's the owner of the shop, and it's just somehow like somehow he is uh somehow he's making money, and I have no idea how. And I want to pay this guy, but yeah. Can I quickly do something? Uh, uh, yeah. Uh, ban user. And that guy is gone, and he'll never show up. Uh, but yeah, like, if I ever have any issue, I'm going back to that guy because he is just like. Okay. I go over here. Oh, undo that yet. One second. Hold on. Sorry, I'm fixing a bunch of crap because I literally just got back from the place like a half an hour ago. Um, uh, but yeah, this, by the way, this is Mercenary Clan. I'm fairly sure that I've already told you about this, but this is Mercenary Clan Quest. It is a quest that I run for, what do you call it? That I run for, run on Spacebattles, and uh, it is like an ongoing thing. Okay. And let me just check. Is everything working properly? Oh wait. One. Settings. Audio. That's weird. We'll fix that later. But hmm. And yeah, everything seems to be working now. Okay. Let's go find where the hawk puppet is. It's been a little while. Old. Turn off alt. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. We have no idea because the first say I wasn't able to get it working normally. The second guy spotted like a tiny bit of rust on one of the screws, and he said maybe that's the problem. And then I brought it back to the first guy, and he was able to get it working without like any major changes. So we have no idea what actually caused the issue. Just that somehow uh, somehow it just caused a problem that we have no idea what sourced it. So yeah. Nope, not even 16. Is it 14? Puppet Hawk. Nope. It's been a while. Uh, okay. I believe last one was 1750. Okay. The puppet. Oh, sorry. Puppet. Puppet Hawk has been. Sorry. Returning to the puppet hall after so long that after so long has you um, um, ooh, no worries. uh uh okay. um uh okay, so what's the question? If you like get I don't know. I am not a representative member of either, say, of that faction, having significantly abnormal responses to a lot of that behavior. So, uh, yeah, I can't say that. All I know is that I have never personally experienced such a thing, but I've also not experienced a lot of the behavior that is statistically average for that portion of the population. So yeah. Uh, 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 um, as you uh quite a bit on so on for so long. You realize that have changed rate. So that you take a step back to consider how far you have shoring up some of your more mundane skills. Uh, Sorry if my typing speed's all weird because like I'm used to say I'm used to I have my keyboard has been failing me, so I have no idea what's causing that, but the temporary keyboard I have right now is just like so weirdly shaped compared to my old one. Showing up some of your more mundane skills means that you are more. So that showing. Uh, hmm. Uh, okay. Showing up some of your more mundane skills means that you have. So you means that you have a much easier time with the fine details. Then then you had the last time you were working on this project. Finish the final. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Cool. um. Yeah. I've always had like a weird sense of gender because for me, like the only claim I have to either gender is just like one's more convenient, but like to me, there from at least personally, like I don't have a particularly strong attachment to either of them, so it's weird for me. I mean, it's weird. It's more weird that people care about it for me, I guess. Sure. Running the puppet hawk after so long, you take a step back to consider. Um. Uh. Uh. Isn't even. Yeah, I get it. I have a difficult time with that sometimes, especially when I'm trying to figure out my own like identity, because like to me, I feel the same way about gender as I do a lot. So I feel about a lot of other social conventions. It's just like, sure, that's a thing for other people, and I'm just like not. Yeah, I just go with whatever other people are going with. In fact, it isn't even much of a challenge. For you to, complete um, task, some upcoming, so complete the design, that you had, that you had, originally put together. Dozens of articulated feathers and an internal system of ladders tubes means that you are able to. Hmm. Ladder ladders and tubes comes together in your mold. Yeah, I'm still working on like a replacement for it. Um, yeah. What the hell? No, no, no. Go away, Edge. Don't need you. can't even. I can't even like. I'll make a new hat with the next model when I get around to it. So you can see that I'm currently working on the next model. I've got the head more or less done, but it's going to look a little bit like that-ish once I get everything fixed. Well, more like that one. No, this guy. But yeah, I'm going to give him I'm gonna do I'm redoing this with better geometry for articulation, and then once that's done, um, it will be I will be paying someone to rig it because I do not have time to do that. Yeah. Come together in a few days of work. And soon. Yeah. So I will make sure to make a new I'll make sure to make a new construction hat for this guy. Ooh, nice. You doing an online group or are you doing a group in person? I ran a it is a lot of fun. I miss playing it too. I used to run a session for me and a few of my friends, but yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I understand. But yeah, I had a campaign that I used to run with friends, but it just kind of died off because I was traveling a bunch and haven't been able to spin it up again. You have every you have puppet. That you yourself on. Ooh, nice. I'm actually really tempted to get into VR chat. Um, if I could figure out how to do it in a way that would that would track my eyes, I might actually set it up for set up a VR system for things. Homebrew? Oh, the homebrew for D&D? No, you haven't. I'd love to hear about it though. The most homebrew I've done is like a few spells and maybe a couple of items. I did try a different homebrew system once, but can't fully control at least all at once. That it will make a good present for me. It is nerve, whatever, right? Yeah. Ooh. No worries, man. I'd love to hear about it. Uh, uh, this is a quite a short one because it is. He, despite being purely creation, there is the hope magic that extends into the uh into the ephemeral plane where able to. No worries, no worries. Uh, 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 well, despite being a purely mundane creature, there is little magic that extends into the ephemeral plane where it is able to try. Where it seems to be where it seems to be where semblance of shadow exists. Um, there exists. Uh, hmm, uh, 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 there exists. There exists. Um, it does not appear to be permanent. Yeah, simply accumulating small amounts of magic and losing it just as quickly, but it is able to slowly return to more. But you are interested in seeing what will come of it once you head off. So once you give it, so once it has seen some use. You to that end, you can put together a nice case for the puppet. Puppet. The puppet. The what's the name of the the or, what's it? Uh, 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 hmm. Nice case for puppet. Uh, the what's it called? Uh, the lewd uh, oxidize cross term. Okay, here we go. Be carefully patinaed. Oh, okay. Shroomy, the second species. Okay, Shroom, truffle from Terraria. Species quirks illuminate. That's interesting. Stealth disadvantage. Yes, that's real. That's cool. Hmm. That's nice. That's actually pretty cool because like you could also have it kind of. What I might consider is you could say that it's a bright light um for 10 feet around them, and it's a dim light out to 20. And what that means is suddenly you don't need all of your characters to have dark vision, and it makes other characters more interesting, like um more viable. It gives you like some it gives you this what do you call it, synergy with other races. Carefully patina bronze producing rain of amongst the dark, dark the dark metal. Um, the despite the every ooh clumsy support. Okay. Oh. Beginning of your turn, roll a d4. 1, your turn ends, but a spell is used in a support. If a spell is so basically it's like it forces you to use. Hmm. Okay, that's odd. I would say that it would make more sense to have that trigger on a spell effect. Like if you're trying to cast a spell, you could say that it's like a variation of wild magic, because as it is right now, it sort of punishes the person for choosing this class, right? Especially if they don't have very many supporting spells. So that might not. Despite the construction, everything is. Yeah, so like I guess the reason why I would say that it is, let's say the reason I would have a kind of issue with it is that this feels like a species that was made for one specific character. In which case, yeah, that makes sense. That's fine. But as a broader homebrew, you want your homebrew to be compatible with the broader. Yeah. So if your only concern is that, yeah, I get it, but if your main concern is like you're enabling a specific play style, then yeah, this works really good. But you may want to have it. You may either maybe you want to swap out. You want to have like a different option for your secondary trait, which would be like for maybe a more martial character or a more offensive character, you can add in a different one. So clumsy support is good if you're like a support class, you're like a bard or a cleric. But if you're like, say, a wizard, you could say clumsy spellcasting, where maybe instead of maybe on a 1, you might fail your spell, but in return you get like so attacks against you have disadvantage, right? So uh it's like you still play into this clumsy aspect of the spellcaster, but you get a like something that benefits spellcasters. So that could also work. So yeah, and then like you would want a different version for martial, say for martial classes, but yeah, whatever happens to be useful for you. Okay. Despite the construction, everything is. Yeah, no worries. Despite the construction, everything. Despite the nearly completely metal construct. Yeah, I mean that's kind of what's going to happen. Despite the nearly completely metal construction, you can say it it moves quite silently, requiring only a little oil to fully remove the slight uh, uh, slight metal wearing against metal. Ooh. So like an all mushroom campaign. Uh, hmm. First, the first voyage of the Wave Hunter has begun, and even before it has sparked some spark some curious interest. Seek to say reach out to your contact. And here maybe it would be send out uh, do a survey of some of your. That could work. That could work. Hmm. Hmm. That makes sense. It reminds me a lot of this one like table rules thing where they wanted to have a lich have access to spells from previous editions. That would be pretty interesting. Do a survey of some of your other or neighbor nation. While uh, uh, you will need to send send invites to all of the great nations. The um the people near the choice who to invite from among the smaller nations is somewhat less. Okay. Good. Wait, where clothes work? Hold on. What the hell? Why is my word not working? I have a product key. What the hell? Okay. I guess I'll have to fix that off stream because I have no idea why that's being problematic. But yeah, voting is okay. Yeah. Nice. That should be 48. No. 48. Significant. 6. Major is 7. Good. And yeah. I'm going to wrap up for today because I have to deal with that other thing. But thanks for coming by. It was really nice to have you on stream here, Fall. I should be back to a normal stream length tomorrow. I'll be doing some more. I'll be doing some Blender work, I think. So yeah, just